Foshan Land Packaging Machinery Company Limited, Landpack, is located in China Machinery Center, Foshan City. Takes 30 minutes to Guangzhou. We has a modern standard workshop of 7,000 square meters. Landpack is a high-tech enterprise focusing on manufacturing efficient, stable, safe, and beautifully packaged intelligent packaging machinery, integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, and after-sales service. At present, the company has developed more than 10 product line series, which are widely used in the food, sauce, daily chemical, hardware, healthcare product, and pharmaceutical and other industries, to meet the customized needs of majority of enterprise users. Landpack is a leading manufacturer of all kinds of packing and filling machine, widely applicable to all kinds of pouch, 3/4 sealing sachet, bottles, cans, tins, box. Our main products including granules, powder, liquid packing and filling machines, Premade pouch Doypack machine, Multilane packing machine, vertical form fill seal machine, VFFS, flow pack machine, tube filling and sealing machine, automatic filling and packing line. A professional after-sales support service team will provide 24-hour online telephone and video technical services. We will give regular return visits to enterprise users to prevent problems before they happen. Landpack have enjoyed a good reputation for their quality, reliability, and efficiency. Products are exported to more than 80 countries. More than 3,000 business partners have chosen Landpack. The mission of our Landpack people: to make the packaging of the world better because of Landpack.